Hello viewers, we are back in front of you with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to set up Tenda F9 router. So let's start the video. First, connect your internet cable to your router WAN or internet port. So friends, first open your browser of your choice. Then go to the address bar of the browser and type 192.168.0.1. For your convenience, I will put it in my description box. You can collect from there if you want. So friends, when you first enter your router page, you may ask for the admin password. I didn't want it here, so I didn't give it to you. If you want it here, you can use the default username and password admin. Admin will collect in my description. So friends, you can see here the connection type. So friends, you can see here is the connection type dynamic is selected. We will now select the PPPoE option from here. Then use the username and password from your ISP company in place of the username and password I am using. Then Wi-Fi name, here we will select a Wi-Fi name of our choice. You can use it as you like. Then the same goes for Wi-Fi password. I'll give it in my choice. You will give your choice. Now click on OK. So friends, we are complete our setup successfully. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.